Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to install Calendar Browser, and I'm going to do it on SharePoint on-premises. In this case, it's a subscription edition of SharePoint, but the principle is exactly the same on all versions on-premise. That is 2013, 2016, 2019, and the subscription edition. First of all, we're going to go into site contents and check that we have the site assets there. If you don't, then you go into Site Settings, find Manage Site Features, scroll down to the very end, and find the Wiki homepage there. If you don't have it enabled, then just activate that, and you'll get that Site Assets. That's for keeping the files visible so you can see where they are and so on. As you see, that's empty now, but we'll go back into Site Settings there, Site Information and Site Settings, and go to the Solutions Gallery, because that's where we want to upload the WSP file, which is a sandbox solution, which is fully supported. I've downloaded the CV sandbox solution here, the WSP file from the kalmstrom.com website, and now I'm uploading that. What happens here is that you get another feature on your site. Once you activate the solution, you get a feature, and then you need to actually activate that feature also. So now I'm activating the feature on my site, but nothing has changed yet on my site, so I need to do one more step, and that is go through the site settings again, and here under site features I'll find the calendar browser, and then I'm going to activate that. Now what happens is a couple of things. First of all, you need go here under site settings, then you have the link here, and also under site contents on site assets I've added the two files that the solution consists of, the ASPX file and the JS file. So you can access Calendar Browser from this file right here, or of course from the site settings link. And now you're there inside the Calendar Browser and it's running. So if you already had a calendar in your site, then that would show up here. Otherwise, you can create the example data or just go into settings and create a new calendar here, Cal1 for example, and then you just save that. Now that calendar gets created and the extra columns get added there, and now you see Calendar Browser in action on your site, installed using the WSP Sandbox Solution Edition. Thank you for watching this demo.